What's the meaning of crawfish? Crawfish. Crawfish.
Crawfish. Crawfish. Crawfish, also known as crayfish or crawdad, is a freshwater crustacean resembling a small lobster. They typically live in streams, rivers, and other bodies of water with clean, fresh water. Crawfish are popular as a food source in many cultures, especially in the southern United States where they are a staple of Cajun and Creole cuisine. They can be boiled, fried, or served in a variety of dishes including crawfish etouffee, gumbo, and jambalaya. In addition to their culinary use, crawfish also play an important ecological role as they are a source of food for many aquatic species.